Hey everyone, so today I will do a quick demo of a new project that I did. This is semantic search on Harry Potter, right? So this is a little app that I've made using Streamlit, so basically so let me just show you how it works, right? So what you need to do is you just need to open this, click the button browse file, and then so let me open a XLS file, right? This is harry.ods. So let me show you what it is. So the harry.ods is nothing but so let me just pull this out here. Right, so this is the file. As you can see, this is some information about Harry Potter, which I got from Wikipedia, right? By the way, Harry Potter is one of my favorite, used to be one of my favorite series as a kid. I used to just enjoy it so much. I have read all the series, and then I thought it's very important for me to make a project to do with Harry Potter, and so I went to Wikipedia. I quickly, put together this particular document with Harry Potter, information about Harry Potter, and so this is the file, right? And this is what I'm going to upload it here, which I've already done here. So you just upload it here, and then you can just scroll this one, so you can actually just make it 2 or 1, depending on how much ever you want the output results to be. And then what you can do is you can actually query it. You can query, actually you can ask any questions, and what the model will do is answer that question based on information that's present in the document, right? So let me ask, so the prompt is actually asking me to ask about like Harry's teacher. So let's see what we get here. Okay, so this is something I've carefully prompted here. So I've written your answer by Tom Marvolo Riddle. You all know what this is, who this is. This is the who should not be named. You know who that is, right? So Harry's teacher. So it's giving me 2 results because you gave it 2 here, right? So we have 2 paragraphs. So one is Harry Potter was introduced in the novel Harry Potter and Philosopher's Stone. And so there's a lot of information here. So let's see why it gave me Harry's teacher. Probably because there's this Albus Dumbledore, right, headmaster. That could be one reason why we got this one. And let's look at the second one. And the reason why we got this one is probably because yeah, not quite sure, but Albus here, not sure. Right, but again, the model is telling us that there are 2. These are the 2 paragraphs in the document which has this information about Harry's teacher. So let's try something else. Harry's friends, right? Let's look at Harry's friends. By the way, I really used to adore the series. It's just so fun to do this. Right, so interestingly, getting the same thing, the same 2 paragraphs. So probably because this first one has this thing. At Hogwarts, Harry became friends with classmates Ron Weasley and Hermione Granger, and finds a rival in Draco Malfoy. So this is the one reason why we have this first paragraph. And the second one is, again, we have this here, the same one, probably because Harry is married to Ginny Weasley. Again, the model is telling us that these 2 paragraphs are the ones closest to this. So let's try something else. Harry's okay, so this is something which I want to know, right? Enemy. Who is the enemy? Yeah, so this time we have a different document. So the first one is the same one. Is the same paragraph, probably because it has a lot of information, and also this Voldemort, right? Evil wizard named Voldemort is here, so it's querying this first paragraph from the document. And the second one is a different one. It's basically talking about Harry Potter and Goblet of Fire, and Voldemort regains his body and former strength through a magical ritual, which is actually true, and including some of his teachers, classmates, are forced on a multiple occasion to battle Voldemort and his disciples. So this has to do with like battle, enemy, right? Voldemort. Because of all those references, it's telling us that this is Harry's enemy. And the first one, again, it's a general. The first paragraph that we are getting all the time has a lot of information. And whenever you say Harry and enemy, or Harry or teacher, it's just going to give back the same thing, right? Okay, so this is the app, right? And probably just one last time, maybe I will just want to check author. So let's see if we get who is the author of this. The series, of course, it's the British author J.K. Rowling here. So Harry Potter, fictional character, a boy wizard created by British author J.K. Rowling here. So his coming of age exploits are a subject of enormous popular novels and which were adapted into 8 films and all that, right? Again, the second paragraph is, the first paragraph, right? Which we get all the time. It's probably because this has a lot of information. I'm not sure if there's author mentioned somewhere. Don't think so, but yeah, probably this has a lot of information and has something to. Probably there's somewhere there should be an author reference. Anyway, so this is the app, right? So if you like this, you can go to my GitHub page and get the code for this. This is really an amazing app. All you need to do is just browse file and then you can insert whatever file that you have. Need not be Harry Potter's, right? You can change all these UI to whatever favorite character or movie that you want, that you like to do query on, right? You can make it like that. So let me quickly show you how I did this code, right? This is a very simple one. So this one is, let me just pull out the code. Yeah. So this is my VS Code where I wrote this entire code. So basically you can see I'm using Streamlit, right? And the main thing that I'm using here is the sentence transformers. These are the, from sentence transformers, I'm getting this embedding model, right? This is the best one out there for semantic search and querying. And so what's happening is nothing but your query and all those documents, right? This is the query, right? And all the other documents are first embedded using this model, right? And after you embed that in some vector space, in a higher dimensional vector space, and then you're doing a cosine similarity. So those two documents which are or the documents which are closer to query in that vector space where it was embedded are what we are getting out as the output, right? So it's just nothing but a similarity search that's going on behind the scenes, right? And I gave it a little a little bit of coding and you have it, right? So this is nothing but a similarity search that's going on behind the scenes. So yeah, so I'll put this code in GitHub. You can just go and get it from there. And yeah, so this is it. I definitely wanted to do something on Harry Potter, and yeah, so I decided to do it now. I really like it. I really like the series, and it will stay with me forever. Yeah, so if you like it, just go get it from my GitHub page, and yeah, so keep coding, keep enjoying, and I'll see you next time. Till then, take care. Bye.